Simkl is like your ultimate sidekick for anything movies, TV shows, and anime. It's a platform where you can keep tabs on all the stuff you're watching or want to watch. Got a long list of shows across Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon? Simkl will help you keep it all straight. What's cool is that you don't have to update it manually. It syncs with most of the big streaming services, so it knows what you've watched. No more asking, "Did I see that episode already?" It will tell you. It's more than a tracking tool, though. It also suggests new stuff to watch based on what you like. So if you're into sci-fi shows, Simkl will point you toward more of those. Plus, you can see what your friends are watching and chat about shows. Here are some features that stand out. Media tracking keeps an eye on everything you're watching. Discovery tools helps you find new stuff that you'll actually like. Social features connect with friends and other fans. Info and stats gives you all the deets on shows and your own watching habits. You can use it on your computer or phone, and it even works with some media servers like Plex and Kodai. If you're moving over from another platform like IMDb or Tracked, you can import your data easily. It's mostly free, but there's a VIP version that gets you some extra goodies like no ads and priority support. If you're someone who loves to dig into APIs, Simkl has that covered too. You can use Simkl's API to tinker and build your own tracking solutions. So if you're tired of juggling between different apps and services, give Simkl a shot. It'll help you keep your entertainment life a bit more organized.